Hello. Wait, I'm gonna set up. Hello, hello. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Oh hi, Daniel and Mukshana, hi there. Wait, let me send the link. Can you send? Wait, can you share the link to your friends? Okay, I just sent to Izati and Muiz, but they are not responding. So, can you send? Can you share the link to your friends? Okay, wait, one moment. Okay, I already sent to Five Neuron Google Classroom and also Five Electron. All right. Okay. Hi, Razik. Hi, Roshan. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Should we just start and then they will watch later, or should we just start? Hi, Raimi. Hi, Rami. All right. Hello. Wait. Hello. All right. I think we just start because 11:30 I got class with to check up. So I think I just start for now. Okay. This is vectors. So can you all see my handwriting there? Vectors. Alright, for today's lesson, we're going to talk about vectors. So let me introduce you the I and J components. So this is I and J components. So this is I. Okay, this I, they have tilde underneath. So this is the movement along x-axis. So this is the movement along x-axis. Okay, let's say your I is given as 2I, so it's going 2 units to the right. So if I write 2I, so it's 2 units to the right. If you have negative 2I, it's negative to the left, so 2 units to the left. So this is I component. So let's say we have J component. So this is J component. So this is movement along the y-axis. So this is opposite to your I, so this is y axis. Alright, so so this is I and j component. Okay, let's say we draw a vector. Okay, let's say we have okay, example. If you have examples, so can you see? Okay, example. I'm not sure whether you can see. Okay, okay. Example number one. Let's say you have 3i and then minus 4j. So how do we draw? Okay, this is 3i minus 4j vector. So first you're gonna go 3 units to the right. So you're gonna have 3 units to the right. So this is 3 units to the right. So you're gonna have this direction. So this is 3i. So and then you're gonna have 4 units downwards. So this is 4j. So negative 4j will be like this. So you go down like this. So you have j. Because it's negative, so it's 4j. So okay, this is your point. Let's say this is point A. 3i minus 4j. So this is the direction of 3i minus 4j. So the way to write it, so do you have AB? So this is vector AB, so going this direction. So it's equivalent to 3i minus 4j. 3i minus 4j. So this is how we represent vectors. So going to the right is 3i, going downwards because the negative is there. So this is 3i minus 4j. Okay, if you find the modulus, uh, the modulus, uh, the modulus of this vector. So this is equivalent to the distance. So the modulus of AB will be the distance. The distance. So the distance of vector AB, you're going to represent using modulus. So modulus AB, like this, modulus AB. So this is similar to use Pythagoras theorem. When you see this is 3 units and this is 4 units. So we're going to use the formula. You're going to have to find this hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, so you're going to have square root. So this is 3 units, so you're going to put bracket 3 square, just take the number only, just 3 square, and then plus bracket negative 4 square. You can ignore the negative, but I'm going to write the negative 4 here. So this is negative 4 square. So when you take when you square 3 square plus 4 square, you get 25, right? So you're going to have square root 25. So the answer will be 5 units. So this is the distance between A and B. So it's simply 3 square plus 4 square and then square root. So this is the modulus. So the distance from A to B vector. So this is the basic concepts of vectors. Yeah. Waalaikumsalam, Handizel. Jazli. Alright, so can I, okay, this is, yes, this is the basic concepts of vectors. So like I said before, the I is along x-axis and the j is along the y-axis. And then this is example, just 3i minus 4j, I'll just draw for you. So 3i is going to the right and j is going downwards. So this is the first example. So I'm going to take picture and then I will send to the group later and I'll give you exercise later. Okay, let me take picture first. Alright, now we're going to go to the second example. So this is second example. Okay, let's say I have CD. So this is vector CD equals negative 2i minus 2j. So okay, you must always remember that when you have vectors, you must have, okay, this is CD, you have underlined there. When you have vectors, you must have this tilde below your I and j component. So this is negative 2i and this is negative 2j. Okay, first we have to draw the vector. So look at your I component is negative, so you have to go to the left. So you have to start from here. Let's say you start from here. So you're going 2 units to the left, so like this, 2 units. So this is negative 2i vector. Okay, now you have negative 2j. So negative 2j will go downward. So you're gonna have, once you have negative 2i there, you're gonna go downwards like this. So this is your negative 2j vectors. C. And this is your final destination, which is D. So you're going this direction. So this is the result. This is the result that you get. So you have like this. So this is your CD direction. So to find the magnitude, the modulus, so the distance, so you're gonna write the modulus. So you're gonna write modulus CD. So you just use the formula, similar to what we done before. So you just square these two, and then you square this, and then you just plus. So you're gonna have square root. Okay, you can always ignore the negative sign, so it doesn't. Well, you don't have to put negative, because when you square negative, you get positive. But if you want to write, so you can still write. So negative 2 square, and then plus negative 2 square as well. Right, so negative 2 square give you 4. So 4 plus 4 will be 8. So the answer will be square root 8 units. Okay, in vector, it's not necessary to change. Can you see? Wait. It's not necessary to change to in decimals. You can always leave your answer like square root 8 units. That's it. So this is second example. So for today's lesson, we just focus in finding only magnitudes. So I think give you the last example. Sorry if you heard any voice. It's coming from outside. So right. So I'm gonna erase this. Yeah. Okay, this is example number 3. Okay, example number 3. Okay, let's say I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna define. So this is vector A. Vector A is equivalent to, let's say, 3i. Alright. So this is vector A equals to 3i. Okay, this is the vector B, which is equivalent to, let's say, negative 2i minus j. Okay, lastly I have vector C, which is equivalent to, let's say I just put any random number, which is 2i plus 3j. Okay, this is from the question. So I give you vector A 3i, vector B negative 2i minus j. Hi Mina, okay, hi Faik. Vector C equals to 2i plus 3j. So let's say the question asks you to find, okay, find. Okay, the first question, question number 1, A plus 2b. So this is the first question. So you got to find A plus 2b. So what we do is just substitute in all the values in. So the answer will be, so the A vector will be 3i, and then plus 2 bracket. So the b will be negative 2i minus j. Just simply substitute in the values inside. So you're gonna have negative 2i minus j, and then you simplify. So when you simplify, so you have 3i. So 2 to negative 2 will be negative 4i, and then 2 times negative j will be negative 2j, and then you simplify. So 3 minus 4 will be negative I, so negative I, and then minus 2j. So this is the final answer. Okay, let's say question B. They want you to find the modulus of this. So they want you to find the modulus of A plus 2B. So it's similar to question number A, but they want you to find the modulus of A plus 2B. What you will do is you're gonna modulus this thing. So like I said before, the modulus would be equivalent to find modulus. So you simply square the number here, but there's number 1 there, but they didn't show. So you square negative 1 square, and then plus negative 2 square, and then you take the square root. So to answer question number B, so you just simply take the square root of this answer, which is negative 1 square. Because I don't have enough space, I think, but it's similar. If they Alright, let's say question number C here, plus 2C. So same thing, just times 2 with your B, and then plus with 2 times C. So this vector B, you just substitute in. So you're gonna have equals to 2. So what is B? Negative 2i minus j. So you have negative 2i minus j, close bracket, okay, plus 2. Okay, what is vector C? So just substitute into, so you have 2i plus 3j. 2i plus 3j. Okay, now open the brackets. So we get 2 plus 4. So negative 4 plus 4 will be 0i, so you don't have to write anything. Okay, 2 times negative j is negative 2. Okay, plus 2 times 3, 6. So 6 minus 2 will be 4j. So there is no I component. So when you find the modulus, then modulus of to the square root method, I mean the square root of I score. So the distance. Alright. My connection is quite bad, so I think that's it for today. Only a few examples. I will give you exercise in WhatsApp. I will send through WhatsApp and also in Google Classroom. I'm not sure whether you have question. You can ask question. I'm just going to wait like 1 minute. If there's no question, I'm gonna end the live session for now. Because after this, I got class with Tuchikap. So this is just my introduction of vectors for today. I'll be coming to school in 2 weeks' time on Wednesday, 24th. So I shall see you on Wednesday. So I just wait for a few minutes. If you got any question. Oh, thanks, Raimi. Miss you too. Oh, Alia, for the deadline, there's no deadline. To clarify, whatever exercise that I give you previous, it's like over. Uh, if you do it, I will check it. But if you don't do it, it's fine because I just check whatever you've done. But we will start a new chapter. I mean, we will start a new things. I mean, new things, and I will check at school. So for now, there's no like deadline. Yes, you're welcome, Kirindip. Yes, Waalaikumsalam, Zamrud. Zamrud, okay. All right. You're welcome, Mukshana. Yes. 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 You're welcome, Suraj, Zahra. All right. Okay. I think. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my live. So because later I have class with two checkup, so I think I'm gonna end my yes, Izati. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes. So yes, I shall see you on Wednesday. So I'll take picture and then send to the group, and also some exercise, very simple exercise. So with that, thank you so much. I'm gonna end now. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Take care.